Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GY6 150 cubic centimeters parts is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for scooter and moped enthusiasts, promising a significant boost in speed, acceleration, and overall riding experience. This video will dive deep into the world of GY6 150 cubic centimeters performance parts, exploring various options, helping you choose the right components to transform your ride from reliable transportation to a thrilling machine. Number 5. GY6 150 cubic centimeters carburetor. This is a brand new carburetor, perfect for your GY6 150 cubic centimeters engine. It's designed for a smooth and efficient fuel delivery. It fits a wide range of vehicles. It works with many Chinese brands like Rokita, Sanel, and many more. This carburetor isn't just for scooters. It's also suitable for ATVs, go-karts, and more. It's a versatile option for your needs. Specifically designed for GY6 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters, 152 QMI, 152 QMJ, 157 QMI, and 157 QMJ engines. It ensures optimal performance. It has an electric choke and key dimensions, 24 mm inner and 32 mm outer diameter on the intake side, and 38 mm inner and 42 mm outer diameter on the air filter side. While primarily designed for Chinese engines, it may also fit some Japanese models, such as Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. Check your compatibility before purchase. What we like. This carburetor boasts an electric choke for easy starting and reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Chinese and some Japanese scooters. If you need a reliable replacement with all the necessary parts included, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed and worked perfectly, been running for some time now, no issues. This set of parts for my GY6 motor on the 150 cubic centimeters dune buggy works perfectly easy and quick install. Used on my Maxim 152R dune buggy. It would never run right and always stall out. I replaced the carb with this one. It fired right up and runs better than ever now. I only had to adjust the idle screw a little bit. I 100% recommend this carb if you have a GY6 150 cubic centimeters engine. It's a perfect fit. The only extra thing you will need is an extension hose to make the air filter work. Number 4. NIBBI GY6 Intake Manifold. Introducing the high-performance intake manifold, designed to boost your scooter's power and efficiency. It's a direct replacement for your existing part, making installation a breeze. This intake manifold is specifically engineered for GY6 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters engines. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. It features a 33 mm rubber boot, compatible with various carburetors including PE and PWK series. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection. With a bolt center-to-center distance of 45 mm and an opening diameter of 22 mm, it's precision engineered for a perfect fit and optimal airflow. This is a simple direct replacement part. It's easy to install, and you'll feel the difference immediately. The improved design of this intake manifold allows for better airflow to your engine, resulting in increased power and acceleration. What we like. This high-performance intake manifold ensures improved airflow to your engine. Its 33 mm rubber accommodates various carburetors. If you are looking for a performance boost and better throttle response, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked flawless on a 139 QMB 50 cubic centimeters short case engine. I put a big bore kit on to 72 cubic centimeters but kept stock head. At first I rigged a 5 horsepower Briggs carb onto the engine using this intake and it didn't start easy, no choke on the carb I used, but once it did, it ran way better than expected. I made the upgrade to a NIBBI carb, I believe the 24 mm one, and after swapping around the included jets gone from 23.4 miles per hour to 34.3 average, remember from Briggs carb. I highly recommend going with the full NIBBI lineup of throttles, cable, carb, and intake. I found a KNN air filter for 24 that fit perfect on here also. It's impressed everyone who's rode it and put well over 1,000 miles on with the bore kit and NIBBI intake system. Product worked as advertised had it come with bolts and a vacuum cap. A trip to AutoZone and Lowe's made it work. I installed this on an Apollo DB X18. 2008 Honda Ruckus GY6 150 cubic centimeters swap. Added nice appearance while also giving the clearance needed. Highly recommended. Number 3. CNCMOTOK GY6 Ignition Kit. This kit gives your engine a powerful boost. It's designed for high performance and easy installation. It significantly improves your engine's ignition system. Experience enhanced starting and increased power. It's compatible with a wide range of 50 cubic centimeters to 150 cubic centimeters GY6 engines. This includes many popular scooter, ATV, and go-kart brands. Everything you need is included: ignition coil, CDI unit, spark plug, regulator rectifier, and solenoid relay. Just install and go. It's designed for simple installation, saving you time and effort. Get back to riding quickly. It's brand new and built to last. Enjoy reliable performance for years to come. If you have any questions about compatibility, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete ignition upgrade. It's designed for high performance and is easy to install. If you want a significant performance improvement with minimal effort, this is the ideal option. What people say. Worked as described. This kit has everything you need to do a quick tune-up for your 50 or 150 cubic centimeter scooter. All the parts fit perfect. It's seriously plug-and-play ride. My 150 cubic centimeters starts quicker and idles nice and smooth at 1800 RPM, plus it accelerates quicker and runs about 5 miles per hour faster at top speed. I hit 67 miles per hour on my 150 cubic centimeters with no internal motor work. Exactly what Amazon said in good quality items. Number 2. Glixal ATKS 042 Variator Kit. This high-performance Variator kit is designed to significantly boost your scooter's acceleration and top speed. It's perfect for those seeking enhanced performance. It features a larger outer diameter for increased torque and improved power transmission. Experience a noticeable difference in your ride. The Variator is meticulously crafted with precise dimensions for optimal performance and reliability. It's built to last. The kit comes with 13G roller weights, perfectly sized for a balance of acceleration and top speed. These weights are designed to work seamlessly with the Variator. It's designed for easy installation on various Chinese 4-stroke scooters and ATVs. Upgrade your ride without the hassle. With an outer diameter of 115 mm and an inner diameter of 24 mm, it's compatible with a wide range of engines. The included bush has an outer diameter of 24 mm, inner diameter of 15 mm, and length of 51.5 mm. This kit is compatible with 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters GY6 engines, commonly found in many Chinese 4-stroke scooters and ATVs. Check your engine model for compatibility. What we like. This Variator kit offers a noticeable performance boost with its high-performance design and 13G roller weights. It's engineered for improved acceleration and top speed. If you want to enhance your scooter's acceleration, this is the kit for you. What people say. My bike is quicker off the line. I went from a 16-gram roller to 13-gram. Simple install, no big deal. Very good upgrade. It definitely accelerates quicker. I can pull away from traffic at lights with ease. Time will tell how the Variator holds up, but my initial experience is excellent using this Variator as a performance replacement for a 161 cubic centimeters 1 QMK GY6 fuel-injected UTV engine found in a Trailmaster 200EX. I also used the secondary clutch sold by the same company with the 2000 RPM lockup spring and a new Gates PowerLink belt. Whole package off Amazon cost just around $90 for these 3 parts and made my Trailmaster a different vehicle altogether. Much better power, much quieter initially, all parts seem excellent. Number 1. Glixal GY6 Racing Clutch. This racing clutch is designed for GY6 125 cubic centimeters, 150 cubic centimeters engines. It offers superior performance and durability for your scooter, moped, ATV, or go-kart. It features 19 splines inside the clutch bell, providing a stronger grip and improved power transmission. This ensures smooth and efficient operation. With a bell outer diameter of 138 mm and a pulley outer diameter of 141 mm, it's engineered for a precise fit. The inner diameter of the bell is 125 mm. It includes a high-quality HK202918 RS pulley needle bearing for smooth rotation and extended lifespan. This ensures long-lasting performance. This clutch assembly comes with 2000 RPM clutch springs, providing optimal performance at higher engine speeds. Experience improved acceleration and responsiveness. Upgrade your ride with this high-performance clutch and experience the difference. It's built to handle the demands of racing and demanding applications. What we like. This high-performance clutch assembly is built for durability and improved power transfer. Its 19-spline design ensures reliable engagement. If you need a robust and long-lasting clutch for demanding conditions, this is the one to choose. What people say. Time will tell how the clutch holds up, but my initial experience is excellent using this cloth as a performance replacement for a 161 cubic centimeters 1 QMK GY6 fuel-injected UTV engine found in a Trailmaster 200EX. Much better power, much quieter. Initially all parts seem excellent. Vast improvement over my stock clutch in spring setup. Gained a few miles an hour and definitely quicker at takeoff. Probably the best improvement I did to the scooter. I replaced a stock unit with this on a dynamic golf cart for a client. It engages at a low RPM and a heavy spring doesn't slip the belt when under load. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.